Welcome to today's video. In Lightroom, we're going over geometry, which I know sounds boring, but I promise it's going to be very exciting. But before we dive in, don't forget to like the video. Let's try to get to 100 likes. It really helps us out. And maybe consider subscribing to ventiviews because 83% of you are new viewers who aren't subscribed to ventiviews. If you just hit that subscribe button, we'll make our goal of 10,000 followers. So let's get into it. All right, so I got a couple images here that I've been playing with, and I always go through my standard editing, the lighting, the coloring, but I never go down this far to geometry. And I thought, what is geometry? So I went here to upright and just hit auto, and it turns out it automatically corrects your lines for you. Now, we can take this a step farther. If we go from auto to guided, it's gonna bring up this super magnify glass thing, and we're just going to click and hold, and we're going to say that this line should be straight, and then you have to do at least two. So we're going to click and hold up here, and then we're going to go down here and say that this line should be straight. Boom, look at that instantly. So here's the before, here's the after. Look how even and straight those lines are. That is just amazing. Here's the before and the after. Now there are a few white spots down here, but that's nothing a quick little heal or clone stamp couldn't fix. So that's one example that I wanted to use. Now the next photo, I stepped back a little bit more, and if you're gonna do this and you know that you're gonna adjust this in Lightroom, make sure you give yourself a lot of room on the top and the bottom, so you almost go out a little bit wider than what you need to. So we'll go back over here and we'll go down. This one, I wanna see what auto does, and instantly it looks a lot better, but as you can see, we have these giant white triangles on here. Geometry. Now let's go here to our crop, and honestly, we can just crop them out fairly easy. There might be a few little white lines we need to take care of, but there's your before and there's your after. Just instantly, it just looks a lot better because you don't have a super tall tripod when you're out doing these types of things. So the next photo is an aerial shot that I took. You can also do it with drone stuff as well. So I'm just gonna go down here to auto and look at that. Instantly, it just looks a little less aerial photo, and it just kind of, I don't know, it looks better. I can't explain it, it's math, okay? I don't know, don't ask me about it. And for our final photo here, I have this photo that I took out at Lululemon's when they were opening their new store out in Rancho Cucamonga. Now, if we go over here to our edit and go all the way down to geometry, because math, we'll go down here to auto, and look at that. Here's your before, here's your after, just so much better, so much better. And that's pretty much it. Hopefully you guys found this quick tutorial super helpful. If you did, drop a like, subscribe, and until the next one, ventiviews out.